Piss me up, but I'm good. -1.
Should I flank around? I don't know.
Stay in your spot. Just hold spots for a little bit.
Who confirmed kills right now? One of you reel back in to OBJ. One of you, not the far one, but the closer one. I think it's Bert.
Yeah, Bert.
Where even is OBJ? Where is this? That's sick. Wait, watch the roofs. I think they can go on top of them.
Some of the roofs are accessible.
T, just give me a double tap if you hear anyone.
Whoever's on OBJ, stay with it.
Wait, what?
Whoever's that one closest to OBJ, stay near it.
Yeah. I'm just GOP.
Copy that.
Wait, was that friendly that shot or no?
Nope.
Should I rotate back in or stay outside?
-1. Yeah, T, come over. T. I don't think they're gonna be over there.
I do not.
They're in the building in front of us. Yo, T, they're in the building in front of us. Oh, good name.
Nice grenade.
Good name.
He was on the other side of the wall. I just flipped it in.
Nah. Are you using that gun? Huh?
I actually think it's good. That's why.
Yeah, I showed you it before.
Yeah, thank you. There's no
And you didn't
recoil.
listen.
There's no recoil.
God damn it, one of our guys already dead.
That's nice. I just saw him. Damn. What? There's a guy over there, for sure. You know where he is?
Holy shit, I just threw that grenade back.
Another one.
No, you don't.
Yo, guys, talk. Where are they?
I'm with one on the very south side. I'm trying to take him out.
to me. Where is that guy?
He's to the right. He's like on the walls. Hold up.
I'm going to the building to the left.
Let me know if you need me to smoke. OBJ, I'm in range of smoking. I have 2 smoke.
He's to your right, T. T's to your right.
I see him, I see him. -1.
Sick. T, I heard another one over, I think. Watch your left.
-1, he was directly on OBJ.
Trade, of course.
Do it.
You there, Roar.
Oh wait, that's not. Maybe a change of plans here, guys. Oh.
I got a good overview from where I'm at.
What the flick?
Didn't push it.
-1, north.
I got 1 too.
Good shit.
1 might be near me.
Sounds like 2 left, guys.
Yeah, 1's in front of me. He's like on my left.
We lost 1. To your right, we lost 1. We lost 2. Smoke on OBJ.
-1.
1 left.
Oh, he's below me. I thought he was above. God damn it.
Kill 2 people for it.
Sexy.
It was sexy, bro. I laughed so hard.
I have
Yo,
not
wait.
killed a single person with a
Where are we going? Oh, it's right there. It's right there. 12,
Yo, this
12. It's straight right there.
This is where JBJ lives.
It's that hallway right there.
Why are you bringing colored smokes? I'm feeling so sexy.
Oh wait, you can see through there.
I don't like my position. This is scary. Okay. Bro got stoned.
1 made it left from long. They are northeast of us. Go ahead and push your positions. I'm here.
This king. Is 1 coming towards me then?
Yeah, if you're on the north side, you have the majority of them coming at you.
Well, I'm on the southwest.
Yeah, 1 made it to the left, or to the west.
Fuck.
1 top, 1 top, 1 top mid, top mid. Exactly where you're shooting.
Put some rounds in him. Audible, use north side.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say
the anti-jiggle rule thing that they're doing is you can only like jiggle it once per second.
Oh yeah. I'm not a jiggler, really.
Yeah, I'm not
Is
either.
there a way to flank around us, dude?
Yeah, whoever's out west, I want you to flank around. Take perimeter to center and down, south. Quick.
I did not understand a single thing, but I'm just gonna try.
My shit just
Yep,
glitched out.
yep.
That was weird. Now my gun's all fucked up.
What?
So you said, how am I flanking? What?
Start cutting in after you've gone north.
Yeah, it sounded like it was back there door.
Smoke on OBJ.
Oh, it is. He's already calling it.
Yeah. Fuck, I can't even get my gun to my face. Fuck, I got a free hand here.
Start cutting in now.
Come on, how did that not hit your head? How did that not hit your head? That's what I'm.
They got her flanker.
Nice one up north. I got glitched to the door, bro.
If I was on PC right now, I would have been dominating everyone.
You've been dogging everyone.
Yeah, why are they doing smokes?
No idea. T, someone can get to this building before we do, so.
No, I disagree.
Oh my god, I missed every single
Minus
shot.
one right side.
Timmy, you fucking suck, I swear.
Okay, just shut up, man. I don't need this right now.
DP running up, coming.
Oh, he's right there. Nice one.
Nice.
Nice one up north.
Good aim, good aim.
Good aim. Good aim.
Oh my god.
Grenade behind me, come pick me up.
Yeah.
You're 4'5", I don't want to hear it. Oh wait. Nope.
Oh, 160, 960. I'm about to cat for you.
Allah Akbar! Please don't kill me.
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh, get him, Dad. Get him, Dad. Get him. So weird. Yeah, T's being a old Dumbo.
Scary.
-1 middle.
-1 top. -1 at the end of the top.
Oh!
Wow.
Because I thought you were above.
They're going over.
Don't go through that threshold. He's just to the right. He's gonna kill me.
He's where Timmy was.
You're a bundle. Damn it. Oh, that is not much cover.
One in top.
One guy in the white rim in the back behind the objective. down my guy. Guy on the right is down, I'm down on the right. He's only down, he needs to be confirmed, he's making callouts. Guys going to revive him, you can cap if it's open over there. Guys coming to revive him on the right side.
I just got that. Oh my god.